Inaanak yan, inaanak. Inaanak? Inaanak.
Mukha bang lalaki? Dahil dapat from the male direct. Anyway, to Ninang Glory, you're such, as Jojo said, you're a blessing to all of us. We consider you the matriarch of the entire Viray line. Now that most of us have no, our moms have departed long ago, so you symbolize to all of us the mother of all the Viray now here present. My wish for you, Ninang Glory, is that you remain as beautiful and well, not I hope you'll still be as healthy compared to people of your age. You're in good shape. In good shape and very pretty. In fact, you don't even look your age. So all of us, I'm sure, the females here present, would wish that when we at least be near your age, we would look as young and pretty as you are. So, Ninang Glory, I hope that there will be more years that you can share with us, with the entire Viray clan. So, in future reunions, we look forward to seeing you, and happy birthday again in behalf of Ilian.